Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to cancel Hostinger VPS. So to start with, from your Hostinger homepage, you're going to click in the top right-hand corner on your profile picture and then scroll down to click on billing. From there, this is where you'll see all the subscriptions you have with Hostinger. And if you have a VPS subscription, you'll see it here. So you're most likely on an auto renewal term. And if you want to delete your VPS subscription, all you need to do is toggle it to the off side, the left-hand side. You will not be charged for the next term. Be aware that it's a good idea to back up your files and databases before you delete your subscription, as there might not be any chance to recover them after your VPS is deleted. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.